Everyone, welcome to a new video of vocabulary. You can find similar videos in the playlist. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see the notifications on time. Give a thumbs up if you like the content and share it with your friends too. So let's begin. Vocabulary 10. The first word is tenacity, that is persistent determination. The sentence would be, you have to admire his tenacity even if you don't agree with his ideas. The word is opulence. It means wealth or riches. Sentence would be, she was impressed by the opulence of the hotel. Viable, capable of working, functioning or developing adequately. The sentence would be, no viable alternative has been put forward. The word is smug. It is to self-satisfy, and he was feeling smug after his win. This is a sentence using smug. Tiptoed. It is to walk quietly and carefully with one's heels raised and one's weight on the balls of the feet. A way of walking with your heels up. Lizzie tiptoed out of the room. So these are the sentences with the words, and hope you understood the 5 words that we have seen today in the video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.